Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post multiple haul videos, shopping, vlogs, all that. So if you like all that kind of content, definitely subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down there because you don't want to miss some videos. And yeah, so grab a snack, grab a drink, and let's jump right into this Dollar Tree haul. You don't want to miss it. This is, if you missed my last videos, I went on vacation to New Jersey Beach. And I obviously hit every Dollar Tree there, and there's like 6 of them in our area. And this is the hauls from the stores there. So yeah, I found so many goodies. So grab a snack, grab a drink, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into it. We got these Crazy Art 8 Floral Premium Colored Pencils, Floral Sensation, for vibrant blendable color. There's the colors, but it looks like this. How fun is this for like journaling and everything like that? So we have this. Then we have these ones, and they're Portrait Premium Colored Pencils for vibrant blendable color. Perfect portrait. So these are the colors up close. That's what they look like. So for $1.25, yes. Then just kidding, there's another one. Landscape Premium Colored Pencils, Natural Landscape. So they look like this. Here's the colors up close. And yeah, so those are the 3 new little colored pencil sets. Then they had my favorite Bic Color Cues pens. I'll get these every time because these are my favorite pens ever. So we got these. Then we found this book by The Vamps, Our Story 100% Official. I used to listen to them, not when I was younger, but like years ago. I guess when I was younger. But yeah, so of course I got this, and this retailed for $20. But you know, just everything about the Vamps for $1.50. Yeah. So we got that. Please don't fall. Okay, then we got some new pens. So they just look like this. And they are by Ink. Forma Comfort Grip Retractable Smooth Writing 5 black ballpoint pens. Can never have enough pens. So we just got these. I don't know why I'm yawning. I drank an Alani today, and I guess it's the end of the day, and that's why. But I shouldn't be yawning. I'm not that tired. Then we got some new coin pouches. So silicone bag is what they're called. So we have gray, and they have like a little zipper. Yeah, typical coin pouch. So we have gray. Then we have pink. And we have, like, what do you call this? Like, ocean or blue or whatever. But yeah, those are the 3 new colors of the silicone bags. Then I got these. These were 75 cents or 25 cents. But they are just the little copper mug notebooks. And this one says warm and cozy. Do they all say, yeah, this one says warm and cozy. And then this one says grateful heart. Yeah, and for 25 cents, I was like, you know what? Why not? Then we got some of the Stretch Food Secret Menu. So I guess we got the chicken and waffles one. So we got chicken and waffles. We got, which one's this? I'm trying to read it. This is called, or is this the burger? I guess this is the burger. The burger. And then this is the, or is that the breakfast? See, this is breakfast. Okay. This one's breakfast. I'll open them at the end. Breakfast. And this one is the hamburger. So I'll open them at the end. Look at these. From the Viro pens. So this is Journaling Ink Prism Retractable Gel Pen. This is purple, but it's black ink, but purple like color. Then we got the pink ones, which was the hardest to find. I find the other colors in every Dollar Tree now, but I cannot find the pink. And then we got the pink. And then there is a blue. Oh, here it is. And then there is a light blue. So I love a good pen. I cannot wait to like use these in journal and stuff. So we got that. So this is one of them. They're super weird. Like they're so squishy. So we have this one. Then we have the burger. Looks so real though, it really does. So squishy. And then we have the breakfast sandwich, which literally is craziness. Like, oh, now it's stuck. So, these are 3 squishy little sandwiches. On to the next. So, we got the cleanser for that. Then, we got the body butter and sweet coconut. So, this is the one people hate. So, let's smell this. Again, it smells good. So I don't know if people got a bad batch or what, but mine smells good. So this was the coconut. Oh, my wrist. So, coconut. And then, these are from Target. I needed cotton rounds. Then, we got the Vitamin C Glow Brightening Eye Cream. Love this collection. Then, we got the Alice in Wonderland Facial Sheet Mask Sweet Apple Scented Face Mask. How adorable. Then, Orchid has a new collection out. So this one is the Hydrating Face Serum Ultra Lightweight Formula. So we got this. Then I got some socks. Needed some more socks. So I got these. Random. Never had enough socks. Then I just got another one of the facial rollers. Great gifts. Then I got the Versed Wash It Out Gel Cleanser. So I was like super excited to find this. So I got that. Then we got the Super Greens Glow Face Cream, which I'm super stoked to try. So I got that. Then we got this Pro Foot Bunion Relief Rub. Instant bunion relief. Hey, you never know, you know? Another set of these makeup wipes because they're great. I hope. And then the Orchid Balancing Face Mist. Perfect for quick refresh, delivering a soft, hydrating finish. So that's part of the Orchid line. Got the facial mist. Then we got the Vitamin C Glow Shimmering Moisturizer with Turmeric. Cannot wait to try this. Got that. And then we got the Cashmere Butter Body Butter and Whipped Marshmallow. This is what I'm so excited for because all I can think about is s'mores. So we got that one. Then we got the Vitamin C Glow Melting Cleansing Balm with Turmeric. Got that. And then we got the serum, and this is just the Vitamin C Glow Illuminating Face Oil with Turmeric for glowing skin. Oh, we're almost done. Then we got the Orchid Smoothing Body Polish. We got that one. And then we got the Moisturizing Gel Cream by Orchid. So super stoked for that. So that was a whole little collection that was together. And then we got the face mist. I got 2 of these because I love a good face mist. And then we had the warm caramel. I can't remember if I showed this or not, but the warm caramel. This one on the s'mores. Great. On to the next bag. Then we got the Amber Glow Overnight Hydration Mask, keratin and amela oil infused. So I'm excited to try this. Got that. Then we got the Spa Essentials Super Greens Glow Face Cream with kale and vitamin C. So we got that. And actually, we're gonna try this out. Then I did get this Tiger notebook. Like, how cool is this actually? See that? I got that because I wanted to. Then I'm obsessed with these hair ties. They're the Planet Goody scrunchies. So just got another set of those. Then I got an electric toothbrush for my beach bag. Forgot to put it in there when I was on vacation, so now I have to put it in there. Then we got the Orchid Smoothing Body Polish. So we got that. Then we got the Vitamin C Glow Melting Cleansing Balm, which I do want to open because I'm curious. My cat is just wandering around. So that's what it looks like. Then got some face masks. We have the Facial Sheet Mask Hibiscus Coconut Scented from Alice in Wonderland. And then we got the Vanilla Rose Alice in Wonderland face mask. Then we got the Finishing Touch Flawless Pure Clean Cleansing and Makeup Removal Mitts. So, yeah, just get literally all of these mitts. So this is what they look like. You get all of these, and then you get directions, and then you get, like, I guess a little clip to, like, clip them on. I'm assuming that's what that's for. I didn't read the directions yet, obviously, so I don't really know, but the directions are here. I'll get to that eventually. We have that. And then we have the Warm Caramel Body Butter. I showed this, but, you know, just going through them again. Warm Caramel. Whipped Marshmallow. This is my favorite. And then Warm Caramel. Okay, I got 2 of those. So this is like the same bag I was in. So can't tell. But we are going to test out the Super Greens cleansing wipes. So I have makeup on right now from earlier today. So I am going to test these out. And then we're going to put on our moisturizer afterwards. So I'm trying to see if I have a hair tie nearby. And of course I don't. So I'm just going to throw our hair back there. So we're going to try these. I'm super excited because I love the serum from this collection, so Okay, one thing, they're barely wet, honestly. Okay, they don't really have a scent, which I do like that. It doesn't really have a scent. So, that's a good thing for me. It's definitely working, definitely taking off my stuff. But they're barely, like, it has no wetness at all. Like, I don't know if I got a bad batch or what happened, but I'm definitely gonna have to use 2 of these because when I say it's like drier than a paper towel, I don't know. These are not a good first impression. More of the story, I would say skip on these. So this, to me, so far, it is a win. I'll let you know when you see me tomorrow when I film because it's getting dark now, so I'm not going to film anymore tonight. But when I film tomorrow, you'll be able to, I guess, I'll let you know if I break out overnight or whatever. But I definitely like the skin cream so far. These wipes I absolutely hate. In the trash, literally, they're horrid. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Same video though. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Will I be in the same outfit? Who knows? But we'll see if my skin survives through the night. See you in the morning. Okay, it is the next day now. It's been 12 hours since I had put the moisturizer on, and I love it. My skin is so smooth. Like, literally, I can see, like, it's just so smooth. And it feels so, like, hydrated. So, 10 out of 10 on the cream. Like, 10 out of 10 recommend the cream. 0 out of 10 for those wipes. Horrid, they're in the trash. But, my opinion, don't get the wipes, get the glow cream. But yeah, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for the rest of the New Jersey Dollar Tree hauls because I have a few more videos from there. So definitely subscribe, share the channel, and I'll see you all in the next one.